you ready to become legal? You're gonna be a documented person. Whoa.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So don't tell anybody, but we have a illegal alien with us. He's been with us for about 3 months, and we figured it would be about time to do his paperwork, get him all the proper documentation.
Yeah. Not by choice.
Yeah. So today's a special day. Today, Porter is going to get all of the stuff he needs to get his birth certificate.
His British long form birth certificate.
Yeah, Chelsea is like way involved in this and knows everything, so I'm gonna have her explain it. But pretty much they have been backed up, and so normally you would have a baby and then go to this office and register the birth and just do like you normally would for a birth certificate. But because of the backup of COVID, they weren't doing July births until what, last week?
Probably like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, so
which it was a whole ordeal because they weren't updating the website, or they would update one part of the website and then in another part of the website it wasn't updated. So my form that I originally sent in didn't go through, so then I had to resubmit it and it's a 5-day waiting. Just
all kind of a puzzle. Just complicated being overseas. And then this is the ticket to get him his passport and his social security card and
his
all
citizens
of that stuff.
Born abroad birth certificate. So he'll have 2 birth certificates.
So thankfully he hasn't been deported. England's let him stay and remain here, but we're just thankful to be at this step. So again, Chelsea's gonna run up, but I wanted her to explain kind of the process that she did and kind of explain the differences that, for UK versus if we were just in the US and had them.
So first thing I did was I went on to the Suffolk birth registry and I had to fill out all this form, which ends up helping them at the office just input all the information, so then they don't have to have more FaceTime with us. So I filled that out. I had to wait 5 days. They called me, set up an appointment. So this morning I had a phone appointment with them and they just went over all the information I said just to clarify that it was right. And then I had an appointment today at 2 for me just basically to go sign the form. Yeah,
so sign it, and then I guess she gets like a website. He's waking up. But you're excited, right? We're gonna get your birth certificate.
Yeah.
So she's gonna take the link and fill it out when we get home, and then I guess you just like get it in the mail a couple days later.
Yeah, British mail is so fast.
Yeah, so we think like we'll get it maybe by like next week early. And then again, we can start the process for everything else, and so we can go home with him and we can have our parents meet him finally.
Yeah. So. Sorry, I'm really distracted. There's someone giving tickets out and I'm like watching him.
She's nervous. We paid, we got here and we used the app, but she's like, how do they know? Like, we gotta make sure we're not in the wrong lot or something.
And I'm watching all these people run to their cars because they probably did not pay for their parking.
Ran out of time.
Yeah, so I'm just distracted right now.
So she's gonna go do that, and we will catch up with you guys as soon as she gets done. We figure out, what that was like in there, and then maybe do some shopping, run around while we're here, and get back to the house.
Yeah, sounds good.
Hey, dude. You excited?
It's spooky season. He's got his ghost bib on.
He's not feeling it. Hey.
It's so cute.
Hey.
A few minutes later.
She's figured out mom mode.
We're at Byron's. They opened back up again, and we're just grabbing a quick bite because Porter needs to eat, so figured we eat too.
What kind of milkshake did you get?
Oreo. Duh.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I really like sushi, but these burgers are amazing too.
So I found the building.
Almost.
My GPS took me to the wrong place, so I was like walking into random buildings and saying, "What number are you?" And I walked up to a stranger and he told me he couldn't help me. So I just eventually found it, and I was 2 minutes early instead of 10 minutes early like I wanted to be. I walked in and I signed a piece of paper, and that was literally it. So it's kind of a little frustrating because I would have just done it electronically. But it is what it is, and it's signed. So hopefully we get it by next week. So we got a folder, which I think they would have printed the birth certificate and put it in the folder, but she said the printer wasn't working. So I got a folder with coupons in it, but no birth certificate. And then I got a little piece of paper that just said go to this website, and then you can order the birth certificate on that website. So I think we're gonna order 2 copies just to have in case we lose one or damage one, or I don't know, maybe when we move we carry one and we put one in our household goods just to have just in case.
Much later.
All right, guys, it's a couple days later, as you can see. It's now Sunday, and we got home and we got everything figured out for the birth certificate. So it was super easy. You just type in the name, your address, and you pay online, and you're good to go. So we'll catch up with you guys when we get them and let you know that we got them in the mail, and you know, maybe show you what they look like. So it's been raining all weekend, and the dogs have been cooped up, and just decided, you know what, let's do it. Let's go ahead and get them in the dog park. So I got them here in my car. Chelsea wouldn't let me take the Jeep, and threw a bunch of towels in there. So they're gonna get absolutely soaked, but I wanted to show you guys the park here. I'm actually on base, and it's like the edge of base. They have an area fenced off for a dog park. So it's awesome setup, but it's also like super gross out. So we're gonna let them get super muddy and run around and just burn off some energy from being cooped up inside. You guys ready to play in the mud? Yeah? Ready to go play? Who's excited? Sonny's trying to figure out what's going on. Are we at the vet? Are we going to the border? What's going on? All right, guys, let's go play. Come here. Hey, come here. You like getting muddy? Yeah. Here come the other guys. Here's Hootie. There's 2 black shepherds and a beautiful husky. Hey, you making friends? You got so much space out here. It's awesome. Trying to keep the lens clear, but on that side is the flight line, so can't show too much of that. But you got this whole space out here where they can just run off the lead. So it's fun when they get socialized with, she's going nuts, socialize with other dogs. Just get them out of the house, because again, they've been sitting on the couch and stuck inside and listening to Porter cry all day. So definitely a good opportunity to get them out, let them stretch their legs, and I think they're gonna sleep hard tonight. But it's pretty gross out. You're gonna need a bath later. Where are you getting it now? Hootie. Oh, hey. Hey, son. Sonny. Good girl. Hootie. This is like Sunny from Wales. She's got to be off the lead. Have plenty of grass to eat. What are you doing? All right, guys, mission accomplished. We are soaked. Dogs are tired. They had a lot of fun. It's a really cool park. Hey guys, did you have fun? Sonny's like, give me a home. I want to sit in front of the fire. Hey, Sonny. Oh, good girl. So this one was a quick one, just to show you the birth certificate process, and then get the dogs in there because they needed to be in the video again. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you guys.
It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good night. It's gonna be a good day with you by my side. All we gotta do is wake up. All we gotta do is wake up now. That's a bottle we can shake up.